So, fellow mechanical engineering students. So, yung mga second year pa lang, ito yung magiging subjects nyo, Thermodynamics 1. Yung course reference natin by ang author ng libro nito ay si Hipolito B. Santamaria and Dante V. Guidaria. So, ang purpose ng video na to is to solve problems related to the topics inside this book, and also we will be solving problems also in a given sample problem. So I'll be explaining it to you in a simplest term, kumbaga. So paano siya i-solve, paano siya na-solve, since majority ng problems dito is lalabas sa mga quizzes, major exams, nor sa board examination. So if mostly ito yung course reference ng mga professor na kinukunan nila ng mga problem. So lalo na sa sa my beloved school na my beloved campus, which is the Palawan State University. Of course ito yun yung niya nila, sir. Ito yun yung course reference niya. So ang advice ko lang is know the concept, understand the concept, never memorize the formula, but rather understand the formula, what's purpose, and how do you use it. So yun lang din. So hindi intended ang mag-memorize sa formula, kundi intindihin kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng isang formula. So if you want to understand, you want to know, so I'll do my best to guide you. So let's start.